I would just like to thank everyone and to greet everyone a very competitive morning to each one. And thank you very much, Apo Kapitana, the organizers of this LEDS Fun Bike, most especially to my partner. I call him my partner because he's the president nominate for 2024-2025 of Rotary Club Ilocos Norte, Rotary Club Ilocos Norte Central. So, siya kami agdamat at tang president-elect, and he will be the next after me. So, I would just like to welcome everyone here. Amok nga hanlang digiti taga Vintar, ti addadtoy, adda kanupay taga Sinait nga apan the conversation with JC, ket adupay ti sabsabali nga luglugar. Welcome po sa Vintar. And before that, I would just like to be allowed to read my message. This is really for the man of the hour, si JC Apo, because nakita ti kinagaget ni JC nga maang paturnay iti hanlaing at ti barangay na Murok no tiket panangay ayat na iti ili ti Vintar. Tamo ya Apo at dapat digiti upon the conversation with him at dapat digiti bagbagana nga livelihood programs niya nga ited na iti barangay na Murok, and that is what we call the partnership from the private sector and to the local government unit. And we do really appreciate that, Apo. So, we give credit to the man behind the success of this activity, who in the past years have spearheaded such not only during barangay fiestas of Barangay Namurok, but in such instances as important dates to commemorate in his life and his family. Every time that he has the birthday of Kapitana, he always hold events like this. The owner of LEDS Clothing, pinagaget nga mangtultulong kada tayo iti barangay tayo, my partner, okay? Ti anak ni Apo Kapitana, Engineer JC Vidad, together with his staff. Palakpakan tayo man Apo, ida, aglalo pa'y digitay kakadwa na met nga partners na nga nag-organize ka dito, Apo. First of all, I would just want to thank the organizers, as I did a while ago, for inviting me. I say this is a very symbolic day, Apo, because I parallel life with cycling. First, the choice to ride and how to ride, and to which road to take. It is the choice of what we make in our lives. Bike racing is a sport of highs and lows. And just like in life, Apo, it is also fun, exhilarating, and a great way to get outdoors. From the breath of fresh air you take on your morning ride to the time you spend with your friends. It's an ideal stress reliever. However, mental demons are part of the game. You can suffer an injury or even feel uninterested sometimes. Whatever state your mind is, in bike racer, you need more strength and motivation to keep going. Just like life, as Eddie Murdoch said, the race is won by the rider who can suffer the most. So I always parallel life with riding, Apo, because if you ride, you also fall, and if you go on with life, you also fall. But that is a great motivation for you. The success of Engineer JC Vidad, the man behind LEDS and this activity as well, truly is like a bicycle ride. He also had his shares of ups and downs, but with his determination and will to run the race of entrepreneurship, he is now standing with his bicycle, his company, not at the foot of the mountain, but at the peak, and is still pedaling to its highest. Having said so, let us make life better with cycles, as it leaves us with a much better health and stamina. It gives us the endurance to bear life's challenges. Congratulations to all the participants and of course the would-be winners. Remember that this is just a fun bike race, so enjoy it. My salute to my partner JC Vidad, whose untiring efforts contribute much of the progress not only in Barangay Namurok but to the whole Pallas Valley and to our whole municipality. Through the benefits of such activities, transformed to a source for the livelihood programs he innovatively introduced, Rest assured, the LGU Vintar, together with the executive and the legislative branch, we do support all the programs of the Murok and for the Pallas Parley and for LEDS clothing. With this, congratulations to all, and congratulations also to all those who have helped making this event a very successful one. This is a very big event, a symbolic one. Let us all have a safe, good ride. May the wind be always at our back as we ride through the challenges of times. Good luck and keep safe, everyone. Thank you very much. Diyos unay ti Agina, Apo.